Hey peeps, what's up? Munchie here, back with another video, and I have this Tymate TPMS monitoring system. This is the model TM8, and as you can see, the front right tire pressure is not showing up. I think that the sensor might have gone out of battery, but here is the symptom. You can see that there is no tire pressure for the front right, and it is blinking, and you can see the number 0. So let's go ahead, remove that sensor and change the battery on this TY-mate tire pressure monitoring system. The model is TM8. So here it is. This is the right front sensor, and all you have to do is twist and remove it. And here it is. This is the right front sensor. Now, the battery which this sensor takes is a CR1632. I have linked them in the description of the video. We're going to flip the sensor upside down like so, and either you can use the included wrench, and if you've lost it, then you can always use a 14 millimeter. So here it is. This is a 14 millimeter. We're going to use it and lefty loose, twist it while we are holding it in place like so, and pretty soon we should be able to open it with our bare hands. Here it is. This is the battery. All you have to do is slide it out, take one of these new batteries, slide it back into place like so, and then just twist the cap back on so that it is a snug fit. And there it is. We have now successfully changed the battery on this Tymate TPMS system. This is the sensor. Next up, we'll go ahead and put this back on the car and see if changing the battery fixed the issue of the tire pressure not showing on the main unit and it blinking as 0. So here it is. We're back outside. We're going to put the sensor on which we changed the battery back onto the car, and hopefully this is going to fix our issue. So here it is. It is now a snug fit over there, and we're going to go inside the car next. Here it is back inside the car. You can see that front right tire pressure is now being shown on this Tymate TPMS, model being TM8, and there it is peeps. That is how you fix the issue of tire pressure not showing and blinking as 0. And of course, that is also how you change the battery on the sensor of this TYMate TM8.